YouTube Shorts are the new frontier in social media and entertainment. And not only are people building huge followings with their viral shorts, but they're doing it in record time. Greg Priest here, partnering with Social Loop, and today I'm going to give you 10 popular topics for YouTube Shorts that you can use to go viral today. Number 1, food shorts. If there is one thing that everyone in the world is interested in, it's food, glorious food. And with a boom in popularity of different diets, from a keto diet to a paleo diet to a vegan diet, now is the perfect time to create shorts centered around finger-licking food. Food recipes are particularly great for shorts. Just make sure you have clear step-by-step instructions, an ingredient list, and some visually appealing close-ups of the food, and you should be good to go. Popular channel Tasty is a great example of a channel that does this really well. Food reviews are also super popular in this niche. For food reviews, let your personality and honesty shine through. The more honest and descriptive, the better. Try the food vlogger route, like Marta Vines, or the simpler junk food review route, like Mr. Chime Time. Imagine getting hundreds of thousands of followers from filming yourself in the car. So easy. Number 2, trivia shorts. There's a reason why shows like Jeopardy and Who Wants to Be a Millionaire are super popular. It's because trivia shows give the audience the chance to engage by testing their own knowledge while also enjoying the entertainment. I mean, we all want to test if we're actually as smart as we think we are. You can bring that engaging experience to your shorts by creating trivia shorts like the guys at the Makeshift Project. And the best thing about this niche is you can create trivia videos on just about anything. What are the 5 most popular snacks in Europe? Or what are the 5 most expensive logos in the world? Make a short multiple choice list of the answers and let your viewers have fun guessing. And here's a tip, don't reveal the answers at once. Instead, reveal them one by one at the end to keep your viewers guessing right up until the last moment. Number 3, gaming shorts. Gaming videos are some of the most popular, if not the most popular videos on YouTube today. And for good reason. Everyone is gaming. In fact, research shows that a whopping 1/3 of the world's population are active gamers. With an interested audience of that size, gaming shorts should be a no-brainer if you want to go viral. Make sure your gaming shorts are both entertaining and informative. So show your viewers how to beat tough levels or share tips and tricks on how to master a particular game and watch your views explode. The channel that's doing this really well in this niche is Rem, so check him out for some inspiration. Number 4, technology and science shorts. With so many advancements in technology, everyone's interested in seeing how the latest tech works. I mean, look at how crazy the world went over Kim Kardashian's optical illusion sync or the AI president impersonations. Make use of this craze and create interesting tech-related shorts. Mr. Who's the Boss is a great example of a YouTuber who's building a mammoth following from interesting technology shorts. Science shorts, like those on the Fun Science Experiments channel, are also growing in popularity. I mean, who could get bored of seeing Coke and Mentos react together? Or learning how to get rid of wrinkles without Botox? But just keep in mind that all viewers aren't scientists or tech nerds, so create content that's easily understandable for everyone. Number 5, lifestyle shorts. The lifestyle niche is huge, and it actually has tons of mini niches within it. And that's great for you because you get to decide if you want to specialize in just one of those mini niches, or create a channel that contains a few of them. Some of the mini niches you could create shorts about are clothing hauls or mini vlogs, lifestyle tutorials or DIY. The list is pretty endless. So have a look at your lifestyle, pick the mini niches that you're most passionate about, and get creating. If you're in need of a spot of inspiration, check out Sarah Day's channel. She has a little bit of everything lifestyle related on there with a pretty significant following. Number 6, before and after shorts. We all love a dramatic before and after reveal. They're just naturally entertaining and interesting to watch. Now I know when you hear before and after, the first thing you think of is probably the standard weight loss before and after snaps that we all love to see. But before and after shorts can be about so much more. You could create a before and after short showing the effects of a teeth whitening product or a grease cleaner on a greasy grill. You can even create a before and after of an unhealthy plant after you've given it some love. The Mountain Shorts cleaning channel have before and after shorts of deep rug cleaning, which is just so satisfying to watch. Now for this niche, you're going to want to specialize. Focus on something specific like those lifestyle transformations or cleaning transformations. That specificity is going to help your viewers more easily understand what your channel is about, and so increase the chances of them hitting that subscribe button. Number 7, history shorts. Did you know that Napoleon was actually 5'6"? That's actually a pretty average height. But he had a reputation for being short because he would surround himself with really tall soldiers in battle. That's pretty interesting, right? Well, interesting historical facts like this are why the history niche is so popular on YouTube Shorts. People love getting bite-sized, cool historical facts without having to sit through a 20-minute historical video or a 1-hour lecture in school. Take a look at the Historia Antiqua channel. They create interesting bite-sized historical facts that are easy to understand. And this is another niche that is pretty easy to create shorts for. There's endless lists of interesting historical facts on the internet. Just pick the facts that are most interesting and can be clearly explained in under 60 seconds and get creating. And remember to make the content as visually appealing as possible. The days of history being drab and boring are over. Number 8, speed running shorts. You know those really long videos that tease a super interesting fact at the beginning? Something like, do you know what the most expensive country in the world to live in is? But then they don't actually give you the answer to that question until the very end of the video. Well, that's a super effective way of keeping your viewers watching your content, but it can be irritating to most people watching. Speedrunning channels like Joe Kane are a relief for people that just want those facts quickly. Essentially, they make shorts that comprise of multiple interesting facts and just cut out all of the fluff. By the way, the most expensive country to live in is Monaco. Number 9, social experiment shorts. A social experiment short could be you asking the public a question, like Jimmy Kimmel's famous pedestrian questions, or general discussions that channels like Jubilee have, or even more personal tearjerker conversations like you find on channels like The Skin Deep. This niche allows you to create content that is tapping into prominent conversations that are happening today. And as everyone is already talking about the topics that your shorts are covering, you're bound to attract a large number of viewers. Like some of the channels I previously mentioned, you're going to need to create your own style and concept. And if you do, a year from now, we might be naming your channel as one of the top YouTube Shorts channels in 2024. Number 10, use your long form content. Okay, some of you might already have long form videos on your channels. Before you delete them and replace them all with shorts, just wait a second. Your long form videos might actually be perfect for creating your first shorts. Let me tell you how. If you have a long form video, look for interesting moments in that video. Maybe you're interviewing a guest and they say something really profound, or you had a prank video and your grandpa's reaction was particularly funny. You can literally just edit out those segments from your videos and create shorts from them. Just remember to check that the shorts make sense on their own and have adequate context. But this method could also be a great way for you to direct people towards your long form content. TLC have perfected making shorts from their long videos that make it impossible for you to not want to go and find the long video. Double win. I hope I've gotten your brain cogs moving and you're already churning out some viral level short ideas. But a great topic alone isn't all it takes to make your shorts go viral. So make sure to check out this video on 11 tips on how to get your YouTube shorts to go viral in 2023 next. And while you're watching that, make sure to subscribe to the Social Loop YouTube channel.